Number 3 bar questions 2024. So, good morning. So, we are going to give the answer for this problem. So, this is designed only for those students. And obviously, the lawyers who have some fun in the bar exam questions 2024. So, aside from that, they are just kids playing around. So, here the Suri Republic and Wanda Republic are members of the UNC, United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS. In 2024, the Permanent Court of Arbitration rejected Suri Republic, claiming over the entire South Wrigley Sea and declared as part of Wanda Republic exclusive economic zone. However, Suri Republic refused to recognize the arbitral award and continued its reclamation activities thereafter. Sina Republic, a non-enclosed state, fi- filed a protest against Suri Republic before the United Nations Security Council to respect the arbitral award and stop reclamation efforts that destroy the fragile ecosystem. The Zori Republic then challenged the legal standing of Sina Republic and argued that only state parties to the UNCLOS can enforce the arbitral award. Thus, Sina Republic have legal standing to protest explain. Answer: no, it has no legal standing to protest. Under the Act of State Doctrine, a state should not inquire into the legal validity of the public acts of another state done within the territory of the latter. Underhill versus Fernandez, 168 US 250, November 29, 1897. In same light, obligation erga omnes that can be classified into two types. One, obligation erga omnes, an obligation that a state owes in any given case to the international community in view of its common values and its concern for compliance, so that a breach of that obligation enables all states to take action. Or obligation erga omnes parties, an obligation under a multilateral treaty that a state party to the treaty owes in any given case to all of the other state parties to the same treaty in view of their common values and concern for compliance, to so that the breach of that obligation enables all these states to take action. Binoya versus Exclusive Executive Secretary, GR number 162230, April 28, 2010. Barcelona Traction Judgment. Further, this obligation erga omnes can be raised or muted because under Part 15, Roman numeral 15 of the 1982 UN Convention on the Law of the Sea requires states to settle peacefully any dispute concerning the convention. Failing a bilateral settlement, it provides that any disputes shall be submitted for compulsory settlement to one of the tribunals having jurisdiction on clause Article 286. This include the clause the International Court of Justice ICJ and arbitral or special arbitral tribunals constituted under the clause. So that's my answer for the third question in the 2024 bar exam. I hope and pray that our answers will coincide and also you will be convinced without further threat that my answer is correct. Thank you and good day.